What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be working on the rear frame. We got a lot of tabs and little stuff that's in the way right now that we got to get removed to make room for our notches, and also because we got to figure out this rear axle situation we're having right now. We got to narrow the axle, so that means we got to narrow the frame a bit, because right now the way it sat out was like about here, and as you can see the front is not that wide, so you want it to look some proportionate. So we are gonna be narrowing this, putting a notch in it so it sits on the floor, and from there we will be chopping up this bad boy to accommodate that, so it will bring in this. But yeah, lots of grinding in this video, so get that popcorn ready. I always beat this guy taking care of. Always. Last time this fell on his head. Look at this. Rookie, bro. Rookie.
Did it break him, bro? Did it break him?
Look.
I broke it.
This one's broken in there.
Oh, shut the fuck up, bitch. Get out of here.
Yo, PG-13, bro.
Back up. Welcome to your event.
So yeah, this is gonna be in the way, most likely, of the tire. So maybe just move this one realistically, because it's gonna be 30 inches. So yeah, so 15. And we gotta take the box off. Does that go with the box?
There's no connectors to the box. All we gotta do is remove the tendrils.
The wire has to stay back.
Oh, that's the vent valve. So what the fuck is this?
What?
Oh man, this is the vent valve. What the fuck is this? I'll figure it out in a second.
Oh my god, that Milwick.
Guys, since we have the box off now, we're gonna go ahead and start grinding off all these little tabs and all these little spring pockets, and then we're gonna clean up the frame. Alright guys, let's start grinding. Butcher. So this was for the shock. So this could go right here now. And the shock could be at this angle towards the axle. And like Army said, even has an OEM part number on it.
Milk on the beat, y'all.
Alright guys, so far what we did is we put all the little mounts and everything, the little brackets, all the tabs that were like in the way, cleaned up the rails. And now what we're gonna do is actually just go ahead and chop these off and clean up the frame rail, because you know, once this is all nice and painted, I do want it to look like it came from factory. So that's the end goal. So the hard part's done. Now the second hard part, as you can see, that's a whole lot of grinding. So let's get it. Punch yourselves. Alright guys, so that's it for today. So as you can see, today was really rough. That's why we wanted to get all the grinding done today, because you know, this shit's fucking like war. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. That's all the shavings. Oh. So here, just quick recap what we got done. We got all these tabs knocked off, nicely grinded down. Same with here. So it's just a nice bare frame now. And next week, hopefully, we can start putting in the notch, packing that up. Start figuring out what else has to be modified to the frame. And you know, just step by step is getting closer and closer. And we should get there. But thanks for watching. Thanks to Harmony. Thanks to Sook. And, you know, just stay tuned to the next episode. Thank you.